everything that we're doing in tonight's concert. So, Rachel, who is up next?
Well, Lindsey, we have a very special artist for you all today. She is only 22 years old. You guys remember when you were 22?
No.
I remember. Some of you are still 22, huh? Younger than 22. And not only came here to perform for us throughout the week, but she also wrote this year's World Food Forum Anthem. Together is the name of the anthem, and it was released today.
Yay! Some of you probably listened to it at the opening ceremony, and hopefully also to get some of our merchandise, you've been streaming it on Spotify.
Ooh.
So I want to see those numbers going up.
Up.
Let me tell you, the way Mpiwa put the lyrics together for the song, not only so quickly, but so perfectly, it's like nothing I've ever seen. But I don't think I should be talking about this. I think Mpiwa should be talking about this. So come on down with us here.
Mpiwa!
We're gonna make a nice little Mpiwa sandwich. Come on down here in the center.
Okay. Guys, give her a round of applause.
Yeah, Mpiwa!
Thank you.
We love it.
All right, Mpiwa.
Hi, guys.
I have a few questions for you, as usual.
No pressure.
How do you feel being here, representing your country, writing an anthem that represents youth? How are you feeling?
Well, firstly, for those who might not know, I'm from Zimbabwe. Yes, represent
Zim in the building.
Yes, it's giving Zimbabwe. However, it's an honor because it's not just me representing my own country, but I feel like it's all of us representing the goal of us being here today, which is for us to have conversation, to innovate, and it's an honor to be able to have a song to kind of communicate such a deep message.
Facts.
Absolutely. So let's just talk a little bit about the process of writing the anthem. So I sent you an email out of the blue, out of nowhere, and I said, "Hi, so this is us. We have this amazing project called the World Food Forum at FAO. We look to transform agri-food systems through the power of young people, and culture is a huge catalyst for that."
Yeah.
What were your thoughts when you received this crazy email from me?
Yeah, no, firstly, it was a challenge. It was an appropriate challenge. That's the best way to describe it. I was like, well, how am I going to make a song?
You did.
About all of that, you know? And altogether, I saw it as something to say, how do I feel about the topic? And it's also pretty fortunate in itself that my minor, because I am still in university, my minor is environmental studies. So this is some stuff that I was already involved in, but then the personal part is the part that had to come into it. So I saw it as a way of trying to mesh knowledge with passion, and putting that together is what created the song.
Incredible. And that's exactly what you did, and that's exactly what the goal of culture in the World Food Forum is, to communicate this, data, science, information through this, universal language of music. So I think that's enough talking. So why don't we let you get to your performance and let's hear the song.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Go ahead.
All right. So just right before the song starts, can we give an amazing round of applause to Rachel and Lindsey for the amazing hosting? And also, furthermore, before you see the actual performance, you will actually see behind me, you might get distracted, I'll probably get distracted as well, is the music video for this song. That was actually made by the World Food Forum team. So can you also give them a round of applause? Thank you. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this performance. It's a multilingual piece. So then if you identify with any of the languages, or if you just identify with the beat, that's cool too. I hope you enjoy. Yeah. Oh, no need for the guitar yet. It's all good. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's gonna be an interesting experience, guys. Okay. Our world has changed. New life and hope and promise to sustain. What always remains is young people leading ways. Quieta, Chinoshanda, Chinorama, hey, Nika ino, hey, Shinoreva, Kuchitese Tinebasa. La promesse est d'encourager le monde entier. Notre responsabilité de créer l'égalité. To see the world heal, to see the world grow. We will give, we will sow with grace. Challenges we embrace together, yeah. Together, yeah. Together, yeah. Together, yeah. Ensemble, yeah. On fait ensemble, yeah. Ensemble, yeah. On fait ensemble, yeah. Guys, I need to be more hype. This is the second time I'm asking. Come on. Hey. In harder times, we break the chain and unify. Pamwechete tinokunda, ntikapatana tinobudirira, tirivadikia sitinokwanisa. Hey, amuzivi kuchitiri vanhu venyasha. To see the world heal, to see the world grow. We will give, we will sow with grace. Challenges we embrace together, yeah. Together, yeah. In CMA, yeah. In CMA, yeah. Ensemble, yeah. On fait ensemble, yeah. In CMA, yeah. In CMA, yeah. Together, yeah. Together. Je veux que tout le monde guérisse. We also want to see the world advancing sustainably and inclusively. As young people, we have the potential to change the world. And each day, we will do that together. Thank you. Thank you so much. Do you have one of these bottles? They're really nice. I love the size. I love the color. So, thank you so much again, Lindsey and Rachel, for the introduction. So, as they said, I am a recording artist. I do my genre is Afro-fusion music. So you can find me on all streaming platforms. Just look for me. I guarantee you'll find me. My name is Mpiwa, Mpiwa. And yeah, if you would like to listen to the rest of my discography, you are so welcome. I feel like it's an amazing genre that I love to listen to in any time of the day. But I'm not just going to leave you with homework to go listen to my music. Nah, you finna get the experience right here, right now. So thank you so much for the opportunity to perform the rest of my personal songs. So you're gonna hear a few of them, and yeah, we'll just have a conversation in between each piece. So yeah, the next one is called Mamuri, which means in you, which also means en toi. I also sing in Shona, English and French. Shona is a language of Zimbabwean people, most Zimbabwean people. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this track. No matter where I go, no matter where I've been, yeah, no matter how I feel, yeah, you're always there for me. Pour tout je fais, pour tout je fais, pour mes états, tu es toujours là. I've crossed the ocean, been many miles from home, but never far away from your presence. I've crossed the ocean, been many miles from home, but never far away from His presence. Mamuri no mani no gara, Mamuri no mani no gara, Mamuri no mani no gara, Mamuri no mani no gara. Ndongona kukwira komo, kuhiambuka kungwara katsika, andimbofi takagara kure kuba paruno rwake. Ndongona Limbofi Dakagara Kurekuba Barudorwake. Across the ocean, been many miles from home, but never far away from your presence. Across the ocean, been many miles from home, but never far away from his presence. Mamuri no mani no gara, hey. Mamuri no mani no gara, hey. Mamuri no mani no gara, mamuri no mani no gara, hey, 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 So the sound that you hear there, that's the marimba. Thanks, guys. Next in this experience is an instrument that's called the Mbira. Most of you might recognize this instrument as the kalimba or something quite similar, which is actually the case. The kalimba actually has tradition in Zimbabwe. So the Mbira, M-B-I-R-A, is an instrument of Zimbabwean origin, and it kind of sounds like bell-like sounds. It's a lamellophone, and in this song, this is the origin of my actual musical journey when I started at the age of 10, so it's been a while. And when I sing in this song, I'm just, oh, you'll find out actually during the song. I hope you enjoy. Mona Jesus, Mona Jesus, Mona Jesus, yeah. Mona Jesus nasi kwa chicha, seja careja pura. 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 Oye rendea, oye rendea, oye rendea, oye rendea, oye 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 rendea, oye 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 rendea. Mona Jesus nasi kwa chicha. Seja careja pura, Mona Jesus nasi kwa chicha. So, as we said, this is the Mbira. In the song I'm saying, in Jesus I made a new creation. It's usually not traditional for people to sing about God, but here we are breaking that trend. Oye, rendea, oye, rendea, oye, rendea, oye. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oops. Thanks. Thank you so much. Yeah. So I am a lady of many instruments. I actually started out more as an instrumentalist rather than a performer. If you could assist me, capo. My bag, my guitar bag. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next song was actually my first ever release in 2021. As I said, I was initially an instrumentalist, a performer, so I never really had recording songs or ever thought of recording my original ideas. But when COVID hit, there was no longer any live performances. So that kind of pushed me to kind of say, how do I want my music to continue going on? And that is what pushed me into recording, mixing, producing, and all the things that I have the privilege of being able to share with you all today. Thank you.
Nakura Tichengete, Ndazitsa Tichengete, Nakura Tichengete, Ndazitsa Tichengete, Nakura Tichengete. Sangore no pawaneta, inopa michero kunevanesia. Asini ndasiva kutindarara, manema itiro wenyu baba anoni chengeta. Sangore no pawaneta, inopa michero kunevanesia. Asini ndasiva kutindarara, manema itiro wenyu baba anoni chengeta. Anoni chengeta, anoni chengeta, anoni chengeta. Hey, hey, nakura. Hey, hey, yeah. Nakura di chengete. Ndazizani chengete, ndakurani chengete. Ooh, hey.
Thank you so much. All right, the next song is from my EP. It's actually the title track of my extended playlist. Yeah, it's a lot of people's favorites. It's also one of my favorites, if it's possible for an own artist to have favorites, their own music.
Ooh. ndinodana naye ndinoti ava ndidzidzise kugara murudo. You take my hand, you walk me through the old and new. Cause wandinodana naye ndinoti ava ndidzidzise kugara murudo. You take my hand, you walk me through the old and new. Cause wandinodana naye ndinoti ava ndidzidzise kugara murudo. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Wandinodana naye ndinoti ava ndidzidzise kugara murudo. Hey, hey, hey. 'Cause when the world is caving in, I am protected. When I feel alone and cold, I'm not forsaken. When I'm feeling lost, it's dark, I'm being sought after. I'm running to the secret place, 'cause I'm your daughter. When the world is caving in, I am protected. When I feel alone and cold, I'm not forsaken. When I'm feeling lost, it's late. I'm running to the secret place. Ooh, yeah. I am your daughter. I am your daughter. Don't pretend Thank you so much.
Thanks. That was the one. I think I might have almost set some of you guys to sleep, but that's okay, because that's the vibes. I'm glad. I'm gonna pick it up a notch. This one, I'll probably run out of breath in the middle, but that's because we're gonna have a lot of fun. All right. Let's go. So this song means dance child. So I expect some of you guys to dance with us. That's cool. All right, let's go.
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, hey, I see y'all in the back. Hey, hey,
Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Mane masuwa, inotadza kugara pasi, ndarondoshaya. Hey, I can't seem to find it in me. Hey, hey. Tous ces soucis ne sont pas à toi. Restons dans ma paix.
I see a movement.
It's gonna be okay. Oh, oh, day, day. Moyo mangu, yeah. Goma inorira, inorira. Hey, Tamba Mwana. Hey, hey, Tamba Mwana. Hey, hey, Tamba Mwana. Hey, 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 Tamba Mwana. Hey, Tamba Mwana. Hey, Wakakosha. Hey, Jesu anokuda. Sing and dance now. Don't hold back now. Today is the day.
I said it. I'll be out of breath. All right. You're gonna have to clap for me, yeah? Hey, 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 hey. Nice. Now we love the vibe. We love it.
you. Don't look after you. You got this vibe on you. You know what to do. Smiling, shining through. Avec l'amour de Dieu. Oh, hey. Oh, moyo mangu, yeah. It's my favorite part. Gama inorira, inorira. Tamba Mwana, Tamba Mwana, hey. Tamba Mwana, hey. Tamba Mwana, Babakosha, Jesu anokuda. Sing it down now, don't hold back now. Today is the day. Babakosha, anokuda. Je te garderai, et ne t'abandonnerai pas. Babakosha, anokuda. Je te garderai, et ne t'abandonnerai pas. All right. Hey. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Yo, yo, that one finishes my energy. I don't know how Beyonce does it, to be honest. Yeah, no, honestly, all of us. All right, so I'm done, I promise. This last song is one of my latest releases. It talks about it being a special day, and I feel like it's applicable to this context here because all of us here are unified. We're here, and yeah, I'm also just gonna have an interactive experience with you guys during this song, and I hope you enjoy it. And also, it's a special request from my mom. Unfortunately, she couldn't be here today because of visa issues and stuff, but this is one of her personal favorites, and she asked me to perform this song. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Isuare kupembera, isuare kutenda, warivati vataniza, yueneni tovatana, isuare kupembera, isuare kutenda, warivati vataniza. Sana uwaino purane kona mata kutindi wane wandino timudiwa wangu nous rencontrer c'est un voyage de passion d'amour sans remords. Chaque pas que nous faisons, notre lien se renforce. Notre amour comme mélodie durera longtemps, longtemps. Since I met you, I know I spend a lifetime for another with you. I'm looking forward to eternity with you. Angels above us celebrating our union, union. Feeling this love with you. else I wanna do. To know today I choose you. No Garamula made in you. Feeling this love with you. There's nothing else I wanna do. To know today I choose you. No Garamula made in you. Isuare kupembera, isuare kutenda. Walivati vatanisa, iweneni tovatana. Isuare kupembera, isuare kutenda. Walivati vatanisa, iweneni tovatana. Ooh, yeah. Thank you so much.
Mpiwa, that was so good. Thank you for that incredible performance. Am I allowed to say that that anthem is actually my favorite?
Yes, you are.
Too late now.